Hi, thank you for joining me on this reading. This reading is for the star sign of Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. If this doesn't resonate with your situation, then please don't force it. That means this reading is not for you. Again, you should check out your Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. You can find more answers there. I'm doing Aquarians reading today because you're the one who's got the most views. Again, I'd like to thank everyone for joining me in this reading and for my new subscribers and all round support on my channel. Also in the description below you'll find my Etsy shop where you can purchase my healing crystal bracelets. Thank you. Spirit guides, please join me in the reading for the star sign of Aquarius and for the collective. Divine Holy Spirit and ancestors of white light, I ask that you come in and help me channel for my collective and surround me in white light as I do this reading. Amen. What's coming into the current moment for our Aquarians, please, Spirit guides? What's the challenge? What's the challenge and influence for our Aquarians, please? What's on Aquarians' mind? What's the reason for this reading? What's the reason for this reading? What happened in a recent past for our Aquarians? What's coming into the near future, please, Spirit guides? How you see yourself right now, Aquarius? Person you're thinking about, what's in their energy? What's going on in your emotions? And the outcome, please. The outcome, please. The outcome, please. Okay, what's coming to the current moment? We have Ten of Swords. So this could be in regards to you being left feeling stabbed in the back, or the person that's in your energy that you know, or again, vice versa, someone else. You're being guided to walk away from this situation because it's no longer serving you. I think you've been feeling alone in regards to this. And you're no longer dealing with it anymore. In turn, turning your back, walking to a brighter outcome for you. What's to challenge your influence? Seven of Pentacles. You could be a Reiki healer. You could be chewing heat from your hands to work on healing others. Or in another aspect, there's something you planted and you're watching that grow, tending to it. This could be an endeavour which in turn is going to bring you prosperity and abundance. You're nurturing it, you're nurturing. What's on your mind? You could be due some money in the new year, where you have to sign papers or you have signed papers. Again, this could be in regards to a legal matter, maybe some money that you owe and you've got to set up paying that off. This could be in regards to a divorce that's going through. Anything to do with a legal issue. What's the reason for this reading? I think there's a situation that left you heartbroken. I think you're looking back at this situation saying, wow, at one place I was in a dark place in your life where you thought you would never get over this heartbreak. Maybe your heart was getting pulled in different direction and you just wanted to get away from this feeling, this emotion. You could have felt everything around you was just dark. You just felt nothing was maybe going right for you. Love, in the sense of love. Maybe you feel that, you know, now it's best that you just remove yourself from this equation and move on. Eight of Pentacles. So yeah, again, brighter days. Instead of placing your attention on that pain that you're going through, you've now placed it on yourself, self-love, self-integrity. You're now working on your skills. You're now coming to the realisation you know what your path is and what your true purpose is and what makes you happy. Maybe at one time in your life you thought you needed another to complete you. But you've now learnt that isn't the case. What completes you is yourself and what makes you happy to progress in your life, rather than putting the time and attention on people that in turn aren't respecting you, loving you, returning what you wanted from it. I feel you expected more than what you was given. I think as well you was hoping for a situation to unfold in the way that you wanted, but it didn't. In turn, you turned your back on that and you're working on yourself. What happened in the recent past? Six of Cups. Maybe there was a situation once again that you wanted the problem to be solved in your minds. You wanted a happy home with this person. You wanted everything to return back to order, to how you wanted it to be. Or this could have been someone that did return and then you cut all ties again. Again, giving too many cups of your love out. You could have a child that maybe is not around you right now and you just, you know, are hoping for things to come back together. Or it could be a family situation where you're missing someone or you want your family to return back to order. Sorry, 1 minute. Everyone keeps coming every 2 minutes.
Every 2 weeks we have to check this block. Other people are mostly looking at it because it's all got to be replaced.
So what, you're taking photos to see if it gets any worse?
Yeah, they're going to replace them all.
Yeah.
When? People always keep disturbing them every 2 weeks, do they? That's the problem, isn't it? I haven't got no leaks at the moment. Oh, really? You're on the edge of it here, though, aren't you, really? Don't like it, no? No. Right, have a nice New Year.
Sorry about that. The gas man come to do his checks. Right, where was I? Yeah. So what's coming into the near future, we have the Hangman. So you've had that light bulb moment in regards to this situation where you was left feeling heartbroken. Maybe you was too caring and nurturing for this person, and as I said, they didn't return the feelings towards you, or you just felt you was used, played, ignored. You've gone within and you said you're starting to come to the realisation, conclusion, you know, your best bet is just to let this go. Let this go, this situation. Otherwise, it's just going to keep playing in your mind. And maybe this is what this person wants, you know, is for you to be up in your head about them, up in your emotions, ignoring you, blanking you. You know, someone really wants you and cares about you. They will return talking to you. But you've come to this realisation, no, I'm not hanging on to this no more. I'm letting go. I want a new purpose in my life. And from letting go, you have got your new purpose. You're starting to work on yourself. And in turn, that's making you happy. Maybe you felt you needed this person to fill the void but that void is being filled now by what you're doing for yourself to help others, to help yourself. In turn, it's bringing you contentment. How you see yourself right now, the star. You're seen as you're glowing up. So there's something you're doing right. See that? By letting go of what no longer serves you and putting that time and effort into something that does serve you, you could be helping others. And you're glowing. You're glowing in yourself. Could be glowing in your face. People could be saying, wow, there's a change to you. Or in turn, people are just seeing you glowing up overnight. Person you're thinking about, what's in their energy? King of Swords. So now, because you put that time and effort on yourself, now they're in their thoughts. Now they want to turn around and solve this problem. But I think you're really going to be thinking about this hard, because you're going to be like saying, you could even say to this person if they return, well, why was it when I was trying to reach out to you, you kept ignoring me, and I hadn't seen you for such a long time, and now I'm in a good place in my life, you now want to return and solve this. What is your game? What, to pull on my heartstrings again, to keep me stuck? So you're going to have a lot of, you know, you need to think hard about if you want it to open the door back to this individual again. Because if someone really did care and have them feelings for you the way that you felt you should have been treated, this person would be in and out, in and out, in and out, playing on your heartstrings, trying to leave you confused. Someone that respects and loves you and cares about you will be there. I mean, don't get me wrong, we all have our own things in life to deal with, but they still show up. What's going on in your emotions? Strength card. So, you know, maybe this person thought you was weak at one stage, weak for love, you was desperate for love. No, it doesn't mean because you've got a good heart. Maybe you did pour a lot of love and time and attention into this person, and they in turn saw you as weak. But that isn't a sign of weakness. That's a sign of someone who cares. It doesn't mean that you're being like that with everyone in your life, or every man or woman that come in your life. You obviously had a deep connection and a you know, there was something special about this individual, to you anyway. You know, so now that you've proved that you're not taking that no more, and you've turned your back on it and you're working on yourself, now they see the strength in you. Clarify. The outcome is the Eight of Wands. Well, you could receive a letter in the post, news, someone could travel towards you quick before someone else now snatches you up. Now they're seeing what you are. But I think you're going to have a few questions to ask this person. Clarify the Ten of Swords, please. Love yourself first. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. Exactly, that's what you've done. You turned the love that you was trying to put on another, or you was putting on another. I wouldn't say trying. You don't try, we just, it's either it's there or it isn't. But again, as I said, you've turned that on yourself. And from you doing that, this person, maybe now they're seeing you as strength. Again, they could have seen you as weak, needing a person, needing to be loved, needing to love. But now they're seeing you for who you truly are. Something they didn't see in the first place because maybe their eyes were closed. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. And that's by you knowing your self-worth, walking away, turning your back. So now they're more attracted to you. Clarify the Seven of Pentacles, please. Forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moment. So again, you've been healing. Using your healing hands you've been blessed with to even help heal other people. And in turn, the Divine's going to bless you with abundance. You found something that you found interesting, that you loved doing, that brought you contentment. You've now woken up to the fact that, wow, yeah, this is my true path. All that time that I wasted on this one, that one, acting like this, feeling like that. But it wasn't a waste of time, because things don't happen until they're meant to. And for us to learn by our mistakes. You, again, as I said, you've become a healer and you're helping other people. Forgiving and learning. So you've forgiven this person. And from that you're learning about yourself. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moment. So you can have an angel watching over you. Maybe you've lost someone and they're present in your life and it guiding you. Clarify the Page of Swords, please. Worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life. Clarify the Six of Cups, please. Let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. So your friends, someone could knock at your door at any time soon, wanting to come in and help you. Might have a sit down and a chat with this person. They may want to know how things are with you. They've noticed that you've been keeping yourself to yourself lately. So you've got some friends or a friend that's going to come in and wants to support you. You know, there's nothing wrong in opening up. Maybe you was closed off, or maybe you are closed off to maybe slightly distrusting some people. But don't let one situation make you think everyone's out to hurt you. I mean, sometimes in life we have to shut the door on a lot of people around us for us to heal. It doesn't mean we're shutting that door forever. So maybe now your friends are watching from afar, seeing like you're in a better place, and they're now going to turn up and support you and help you. Clarify the Hangman, please. Give your relationship a chance. Work on your partnership. So this is saying before you actually decide to let go completely, you know, there could have been reasons why this person maybe at the time, you know, they may not have planned to hurt you. They could have had something going on in their life that they didn't open up to you about. We all have our own issues going on. Maybe they didn't want to burden you with what was going on in their life. But maybe now they're going to return. They're going to sit down and tell you the truth. Well, I think you won't accept anything but the truth, you know. And again, they've got to come correct in your eyes. Clarify the Three of Swords, please. Express your love. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. Oh, that's what you've done, and it left you heartbroken. And I think this individual knows that you love them, and that, you know, what they done, they left you heartbroken. Again, I don't think they went out of their way to do it purposely. As I said, maybe this person had other things going on in their life, and the way that you met, the timing that you met, maybe it was right in the sense of you will come back together. But maybe from meeting one another, this happening is both helped you to both grow in your own lives, to become stronger, and in turn loving yourself. So now that person's healed, you've healed, you can come back stronger. It is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. And true love. This is the romance of a lifetime. So yeah, I think the only reason why you was heartbroken is because, you know, there was just something so captivating about this individual that you never felt with another. And obviously when that person pulled away, or you felt you had to pull away, it left you heartbroken. But as I said again, in turn, healing. You ended up healing yourself, becoming stronger, for you both to come back even stronger as a power couple. Sometimes we ask questions, why did this happen? Why is this happening? Like, why am I getting treated like this? What is this purpose? Why did he put this person on my path to only pull this person out of my life again? Sometimes people come in our lives to teach us to love ourselves. It's a lesson. Not everything is a negative thing or bad meaning behind it. You could be waking up to the fact now, like, okay, I get it. Wow. Clarify the Eight of Pentacles, please. Passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. So that's in regards to you turning your back and working on your skills. Also, in time, in turn, working on this relationship. Now you're going to put your full attention, both of you are, because you both got a lot of passion towards each other. But don't get me wrong, you're still going to set your boundaries in a sense of, you know, you're going to allow this person, you know, you're not allowed, but this person's going to do what they need to do for their work. You're going to do what you're doing. You're still going to give each other space, and you're learning that you can't be on each other's back every minute. And in turn, you've got a lot of passion towards you. Very soon, clearly decide what you want, so it comes to you now. Oh, this reading's lovely. I like readings like this. Clarify the star, please. Free yourself. It's time to take back control of your life. And that's what you've done. You freed yourself from you freed yourself from feeling heartbroken and up in your emotions, feeling stuck, like you couldn't move, constantly thinking about this person. One day you woke up, you said, no, I've got to get a grip on myself. But you freed yourself from feeling you just freed yourself from feeling like this, like how you was. So you're in a good place now. And now you're getting looked up on as you're glowing. Clarify the King of Swords, please. Calling in your soulmate. Your prayers, affirmations, and visualizations help bring you together. So this person is now, from a distance, again, whatever you're doing, you could be teaching this person unknowingly to you, you know, so they're learning from you. This person's praying that you come back in their life, that you come together again. This person's writing affirmations down, they're visualizing being together with you to help bring you both back together. There was another card. Where's that gone? Oh, religious factors. Your love life is influenced by your love life is influenced by your religious upbringing and spiritual path. So whatever work you're doing, you're teaching this person. As I said, unknowingly, you could be helping society, and this person's watching you from afar. So as I said, you're helping them heal from the spiritual path you've now put yourself on. They could be now becoming awakened, enlightened to certain things in their life. Clarify the strength, please. And it's also helping them gain strength in their life. Wedding, this situation involves marriage. So maybe this person's gaining the strength to come towards you to ask you for your hand in marriage. They could be a bit anxious right now, because how would they feel if you'd shut the door on them? I think that would really, that would destroy them. This person's got a lot of love for you, you know, but I think deep down you're thinking they don't care, but they do. They could be, you know, working themselves up to how to go about this, and, you know, they're panicking. Will she accept me? What if they slam the door in my face? What if they've got someone else? What if they're not interested no more? Or again, as I said, the reason why you was left heartbroken was because the way you met was uncanny, crazy. Not crazy, but again, you met each other for a purpose, but it could have been in bad timing. This person could have been going through a really bad relationship which they wanted to get out of, and by you coming in their life gave them the strength and courage to work on themselves, to say, the person I was with isn't the person that I should be with. They're holding me back, this, that and the other. You now, in turn, are the one that they really want. But they didn't want to bring that situation between you or even into your life. They didn't want to bring drama in your life. So this is why they pulled themselves away. You could have asked them when you met them, are you married, this, that and the other? And they said no, because they were scared that if they said yes, you would have run for the hills and that would have been it. So now they're doing it the right way. I think they're going to come in and they're going to tell you the truth, hoping that you'll be open and understanding. Clarify the 8 of Wands, please. Engagement. Your love life is extending to a higher level of commitment. So they could come with a ring. Congratulations. Let me know if it happens. I love seeing a happy ending. So yeah, this person's going to travel towards you with a gift. I'm going to use the Kipper deck now. Spirit guys, what messages have you got for our Aquarians, please? So occupation. So, you know, this person could be working hard on whatever work they do. And again, you occupying your mind to get yourself both in a good place financially. So this person's occupied trying to get their money up. You're occupied trying to get your money up again. So you come together as a power couple. Child. There could be children involved in this situation. You may in turn have children. They may have children which they didn't tell you about. But again, they're going to come in and speak their truth. And coughing. They put an end into the situation they was in. It's now dead, finished. They shut that door on that. Mature man. Now they're going to come in different. They've grown up. They're going to come and be mature about this situation. Now they feel the time's right. So they've come out of their childish, maybe, ways that they used to be in the past, and they've grown up. Well, my lovely Aquarians, take what resonates, leave what doesn't. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you for joining me in this reading. If this resonates, you're welcome to leave a comment. Give me the thumbs up. Thank you for supporting my channel. Take care. Bye. Have a lovely day. Stay positive and blessed.